It's New Food Friday.
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out.
When we went to World Market, we found some Chipotle chili dark chocolate and some Tabasco chocolate. And when we were at the Jelly Belly factory, we found some Tabasco jelly beans and chili lime. So we're gonna give all this candy a try. All right, at the factory, they gave us these, and Emmett still has a couple left in his, so that's what he's gonna eat because he doesn't like the spicy ones. You ready to try one? All right, you try that one. And you guys can each try one of these.
Ready? On your marks. Get set. Try. Good. Spicy. Spicy candy. Spicy.
Is it spicy? It takes a while for the spice, but I can taste it. It's starting to get a little bit spicy.
Oh, yeah. That's burning my
Are you
throat.
done wanting to know what I think?
Thanks, Trevor.
So right at first when you eat it, it just tastes like a sweet jelly bean. It takes a while to taste the spice. It's not really spicy, but you can tell that there's some spice there. The flavor is kind of gross. Not the greatest.
It's burning my throat. I'm fine. I'm fine too. Oh, we need
That
those.
flavor is bad.
I'm okay with it. Yeah, I have one of those. More, Mom.
And you guys get those.
3, 2,
Those are chili lime,
chili mango.
chili mango. All right, what do you think?
They taste like mangoes.
That yellow one.
They taste like mangoes. They're so good.
I
Tastes
need
like mango.
yellow.
Sounds good.
A little bit of chili at the end.
I'm not tasting any chili yet.
I love those. Those
are
are
good.
by far better than Tabasco.
I need the yellow, Mom. I like
Oh,
Tabasco.
you need a yellow?
I'll take Tabasco, but I prefer chili.
The mango ones are just sweet. Which is better?
Chili mango. Chili mango.
Red.
You like the jalapeno?
He likes Tabasco then.
All right. Well, if you like Tabasco, let's move on to the chocolate.
Tabasco.
I like chocolate.
It says there's 8 pieces in here. It's like a little pie.
Oh.
All right.
That looks like plastic.
Smells like chocolate.
It smells like dark chocolate.
I need one.
I'll get you some chocolate.
Those.
Ready, guys?
Those, Mom. I need those.
Tastes like dark chocolate.
Yeah, it does. I can't really taste any Tabasco.
Mommy.
A little tiny bit.
Mommy. I need those, Mom. I
Just tastes like dark chocolate with a hint of
Mom, it's not
Chocolate?
Tabasco.
It's not spicy, Mom. And it doesn't
You
even.
could probably
Your
eat it.
chocolate. No, these are spicy.
Are they?
Yeah.
Oh,
I taste the more spice in this one than I do in either of the jelly beans.
No,
Yeah.
those I do not even have a single
Mine
spice
is getting
part.
spice.
Mine's
Mine's
spicy.
mine's just that much spice. That much.
And the flavor's not great. I don't really care for that.
I would eat all of that. Me too. I would like more.
So, Tabasco chocolate?
Good. Double thumbs up.
Tabasco jelly beans.
Wait, I'll give it a thumb in the middle. Chili mango. Double thumbs up for chili mango.
All right, now we're gonna try the
Man, I hope that.
Chipotle chili chocolate.
I need one.
These ones are spicy. How about you eat your cracker and you ate your M&Ms?
I'm gonna be brave.
I need some more, Mom.
Chocolate.
I need some
I tasted
more.
Chipotle.
I don't taste anything. All I taste is
I
dark
need
chocolate.
more jelly
Good.
I'm still tasting the Tabasco one.
I need
Good.
It kind of
more.
has a funny.
I
Oh.
need more.
All right, Chipotle chili chocolate. Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs up because it had just tasted like just normal chocolate.
I would do a thumbs down.
I'll do
on
good.
The chocolate.
Thumbs up.
I do double thumbs up on both of them.
Need what?
Double
He
thumbs up.
dropped
What do you guys think
I
of
dropped
the
my jelly
Chipotle
bean.
chili chocolate?
double thumbs up.
I
Thumbs up.
drop it.
How about the Tabasco chocolate?
Double thumbs up.
So would you like this kind of candy if you were to get candy, or would you prefer just regular sweet candy, or is the spicy candy good?
I like the spicy.
I would prefer normal jelly beans over the Tabasco jelly beans, but the chocolate just tasted like normal dark chocolate. So yeah, I think it's excellent. I like. If I were to change one thing, I'd change the Tabasco. Emmett's going
What do
for
you think,
spicy.
James?
No.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Eat the yellow ones, then.
I think
The yellow
that
ones,
it's all
the
these
orange
ones are
ones.
good.
ones.
Really, really
The red
good.
ones are spicy. You won't like them.
So if you like spicy candies, I would get all of these. Really good. Except for the part that the chocolates don't
So
even taste spicy.
if we go buy some jelly beans,
Tabasco.
are you picking these, or are you going to
Yeah.
pick regular?
Regular.
Tabasco.
I prefer
regular
the chili. I like the. I'd get the chili mango ones because they taste like sweet mangoes, and I like mangoes. So
What do you think, Colin?
Tabasco.
You pick Tabasco?
Yeah,
Awesome.
totally.